Now example number 3. The length of a conducting wire is 50 centimeter and its radius is 0.5 millimeter. If its resistance is 30 ohm, what is the resistivity of its material? Now here we will write first of all given things. L is equal to 50 centimeter. L means length. So here this centimeter we will convert it into meter. How to convert that we will see. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then 50 centimeter is equal to how many meters? This is question mark. So here we will cross multiply. So after cross multiplication we will get 1 into 50 upon 100, that is equal to 50 upon 100. That is equal to 50 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Now here you will ask this 100 how you converted means into 10 raised to minus 2. So here we will see 10 raised to nothing is there means 10 raised to 1 only. 10 into 10 means 100. This 100 we can write 10 raised to 2. 1000 we can write 10 raised to 3. So here 100 is there, but that is going, this 100 is going to numerator. That's why we are writing here 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Now this centimeter we converted into 10 raised to minus 2 meter means 50 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Now R is given, that is radius is given 0.5 millimeter, that is equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter, means here millimeter converted into meter. How to convert that also we will see. We know that 1 millimeter is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 meter. So therefore 0.5 millimeter is equal to 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. This 0.5 we can write 5 into 10 raised to minus 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 as it is. So 0.5 millimeter is equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter. Here we use laws of indices. If base are same, then we can add their indices, means minus 1 minus 3 it will become minus 4. Now here R is given, that is resistance is given 30 ohm. So we know that resistivity rho is equal to R into A upon L. But A means area and that formula is pi r square. So pi is equal to 3.14. You can write here pi value 22 upon 7 also. But here in this example we are using the value of pi as 3.14. Now after this we will put the values. Rho is equal to R into pi r square upon L as it is. Now here resistance value 30 into pi value 3.14 into R value is 5 into 10 raised to minus 4 bracket square. Here R square is there. Due to that we are writing here bracket square upon 50 into 10 raised to minus 2, that is equal to 30 into 3.14 into 5 square is 25 into 10 raised to minus 4 square means 10 raised to minus 8 upon 50 into 10 raised to minus 2 as it is. Now here we will take this 25 and 30 together, that is 25 into 30 into 3.14 as it is upon 50 into 10 raised to minus 8 as it is into 10 raised to 2. This 10 raised to minus 2 we took to numerator. Due to that this minus 2 will become plus 2. Now here this 25 will divide to 50, that is 25 ones are 25 and 25 twos are 50. Now this 2 will divide to 30. So 2 ones are 2 means it will become 15, means 30 upon 2, that answer will be 15. So here 15 into 3.14 into 10 raised to minus 6. This multiplication we can do in working column. So after multiplication we get answer 47.10, that is 47.1 into 10 raised to minus 6 ohm into meter, because resistivity's unit is ohm into meter. Now this 10 raised to minus 6 is the given, children. But this 10 raised to minus 6 we can write in 10 raised to minus 5. So due to that, what will happen? This 110 will divide to this 47.1. So after division, instead of 47.1, we get 4.71 into 10 raised to minus 5 ohm into meter. So last answer we can write, resistivity of the wire is equal to 4.71 into 10 raised to minus 5 ohm meter.